So Jimmy and I are working on the fences. We're up here. We got my generator trailer with my compressor in the back of the Ranger. I had to use the Ranger. There's no way the mule will pull that thing. Anyway, so it's air powered. It's pneumatic driver. I think you saw it. It's, you know, it's heavy. It's real heavy, and it's not easy, but it's a lot better than wearing out our rotator cuffs, pounding them stupid stakes in. I'd rather, you know, use my muscles carrying that thing and lifting it up there than pounding stakes. So anyway, it's going good. What else? We're just gonna put stakes in today. We're just pounding T-posts in today, and then we'll go back and fix wire. Actually, fasten posts to the new posts or whatever. That kind of stuff needs to be done, and then put new wire where it needs it, and then fasten all the wire to the posts. And I think we'll be done by the weekend. I'll let you know more. Shit, tomorrow's Thursday, isn't it? Well, we should be ready for cows by Saturday, but I'll let you know. This stretch is actually not bad. It's just these wooden posts all got burned, and so they're just flopping, and we got to put new posts next to them to hold them up. The more damage is from Mike Hughes along Camacho's property line there. Anyway,